Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see what out-of-the-box reports are available when downloading the Tricentis Analytics Excel template. We will see how they look like, where to find them, and why they are important when assessing the status of your testing project. So, let's get started. If you're using Tricentis Analytics with Microsoft Excel, 8 out-of-the-box reports are available to you. These reports allow you to explore Tricentis Analytics' reporting capabilities and determine how the data can be useful for your business. The 8 out-of-the-box reports can be found in these 3 available sheets. You can also add or modify reports to suit your business needs. Let's start with the test summary sheet. The report settings can be found on top of the test summary sheet and apply to all sheets in the file. The latest test run results report displays the number of recent test run execution results by status. Default Qtest execution statuses and custom execution statuses are included in this report. The execution rate per day, week, month reports display the number of test run execution results by status for a certain date range. This helps you determine the success rate of your test run executions. Data is displayed in bar chart format, which can be useful for quick visuals, and table format, which displays totals. Both default and custom statuses are included in the execution rate per day, week, month reports. The execution summary by release report displays the number of test run execution results by status for each release. This helps you determine the success rate of your test run executions by release. Both default and custom statuses are included in the execution summary by release report. The execution summary by test cycle report displays the number of test run execution results by status for each test cycle. This helps you determine the success rate of your test run executions by test cycle. Both default and custom statuses are included in this report. Let's now move to the defects sheet. The defect status report displays the number of defects by status, helping you track the progress of defects in a release. Both default and custom statuses are included in the defect status report. The Defect Severity report displays the number of defects by severity level, helping you identify and prioritize defects. Both default and custom severity levels are included in the Defect Severity report. The Defects Open versus Closed report displays the number of defects that were opened in a given period of time compared with the number of defects that were closed in the same period. This report can help you determine the rate at which defects are being opened compared with the rate at which defects are being closed. For opened defects, the following statuses are included: new, assigned, reopened, and blocked. Closed defects include resolved, closed, and cancelled defects. Lastly, we have the test case progress sheet. The automation rate report displays the number of test cases by execution type for a certain date range, such as week or a month. This will help you determine the progress of your automation initiative. This report includes automation test cases, manual ones, and Tosca test cases. The number of test cases report displays the number of test cases that have been executed and not executed by project. This is helping you to determine the number of test cases that still need to be executed for each project. Thank you for watching.